Edwin.
Thank you.
Ira?
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Ito lang kami.
Okay. Hi. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Salamat, salamat.
So much.
Thank you. Mr. Gonzales.
Congratulations, Edwin, Ira.
Ira,
Thank
gusto ko
you.
makilala mo si Mr. Gonzales, ang wife niya, si Mrs. Gonzales. Isa siya sa mga investors ng asyenda natin.
Oh, hi. Good evening. It's so nice to meet you. Hi.
I'm really glad na may babae na mag-aalaga sa'yo, Edwin. It's about time.
Huwag po kayong mag-alala. Alagang-alaga pa po to si Edwin.
Oo naman, masikaso talaga to ng pangasawa ko eh.
Mabuti naman. Alam mo, bagay na bagay kayo. Mukhang in love kayo sa isa't isa.
Have a good evening, sir. It's so nice to meet you.
Yeah, thank you. Excuse me.
Salamat.